Hey everyone, this is Brian from One Bad Pony. Today this video is about talking to you guys about what I use to tint my taillights on my 2007 Mustang GT. This tint can be used on pretty much any car. It is a great product. I do recommend it. It is, in my opinion, a lot better than using film. The product is VHT nightshades. You can get it at Walmart, any automotive store, Amazon. Prices vary depending on where you get it. You can get it at Walmart for around $9. Auto parts stores usually run high teens to maybe even up to $20. It works very good. You do have to prep the area. You want to wash your taillights or any lights that you're going to be tinting, and then it wouldn't hurt to use like an alcohol wipe or something, and then once you do that, wash it again. It works really well. To me, I've seen people use film, and it looks pretty difficult. The spray is very simple. You shake the can for a couple minutes, tape off the areas surrounding your lights unless you want to take them out. I sprayed mine in the car. I just taped off the area around my taillights, so I wouldn't get any overspray on it. I did one good coat on each taillight, and then my trunk light and my side marker lights in the rear. Did one coat, let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then applied a second coat. Now, the more coats you apply, the darker it gets. So I don't recommend doing any more than 2 good coats because of lighting visibility. My lights are pretty dark with 2 coats. And in the daytime, you can still see my running lights. You can still see my brake lights. And they are pretty dark. I'll edit in a before and after picture in the video. Just clean them really well. Make sure that if it's cold, you probably don't want to do the tint in cold weather. You want to do it when it's warmer out, or take them out and bring them into a garage or something where it is probably above 70 degrees would be better, because if you do the spray tint in colder climate, it's going to do exactly what paint would do, and it will bubble and not look right. So then you'd have to sand, use like 1500 to 2000 grit sandpaper to kind of remove the orange peel and smooth it out. But like I said, I highly recommend the product. It works very well. Again, it is called VHT Nightshades, and it works great. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video, and let me know what you think in comments. Thank you. Have a good day.